Hello and welcome to Excel with Partha. Today we'll learn about the paste special option. That is a very useful and powerful options in the Excels. If you learn about all these options, you will be an expert in the Excel worksheet to do copy and paste in the different ways. So let's see how it is work by one all the options I will clear today. So we'll go over this data. You can see already some data entered in my worksheets. So we'll do copy paste and we'll use copy paste special options over this data, right? So to paste the data, at first we'll select this all data, whatever data we have, Control A, select all, Control C, copy, right? After copy, you can see these paste options will be highlighted, will be enabled, right? So you can find these paste options under the home tab inside the clipboard group, right? And I'll zoom it. You can see this is the paste options. Okay, there you can see a down arrow. If you click here in the down arrow, if you click on this paste, the data will be pasted as it is, a simple normally paste it will be, right? But if you click in the down arrow, you can find more options here like paste values, other paste options, paste special, right? So we'll learn one by one all these options how it works. So I'll zoom out and I'll select a cell where I want to paste our data. I'll select this cell, then I'll paste the first option. It's a normally paste. It will paste as it is the data you copied from main data. Okay, you can see the data as it is, formatting, number, formulas, everything it's copied and paste as it is, right? That is the first option. Now I'll do Control Z, undo. Now we'll move to the second option. I'll select again this cell. Now again go here and the next option is formulas. In the formulas, here you can get only the formulas in your pasted data. So I'll click here. Then you can see here without formatting, whatever data formatting is there, you cannot get here. You can get only the formulas. Here you can see some formula is there, some formulas. Here you can see percentage formulas is there equal to G3 divided by 500 multiplication with 100, right? And here you can find some logical formulas. You can see here all logical formulas is there. Here also some logical formulas. Now we find all the formulas is here pasted, right? You can see some same as it is. Okay, the percentage formula here, if formulas, all formulas is pasted here as it is. So you understand what is the formula paste, right? You cannot get any formatting from this data. You can get only the formulas. Okay, now I'll do Control Z again. Now I want to go to the third options, right? So if I click in the third option, you can see there is a pop-up is coming. Wherever you will keep your cursor, you can see paste, formula and number formatting. You can see all this pop-up will be there wherever you will keep your cursor, right? So I'll click here. Then you can see here you can get the formulas and the formatting. If there is any formatting, you can see that is general format. If I click here, you can see here in the number group, you can see here the format is general, and in the total group, if I click here, you can see in the number group the format is number formatting, right? So here also same number formatting is came. For your better understand, I'll do one thing. I'll paste again the data here with the formula paste only. So I'll click here, and you can click also right click in your mouse. Okay, if you do right click, you can find the paste option also here, and you can find the right arrow here. If you bring your cursor here, then you can find the dialog box of paste special options here also. So you can access the paste special options in this way also. So let's paste here in the formula only. Okay, now you will find the difference. Here you can see this is a, as I told you, this is a number formatting, right? In the total column, this is a number formatting. You can see here in the formatting group, it is number and it is general. If I click this one, math, history or anywhere, it's always general, right? But this is a number formatting. So that's pasted formulas with the formatting, the number formatting, right? But here you can see I paste only the formulas. That's why it came also under general. Here it didn't paste the number formatting. You can see here 239.00, that is number formatting. And if you click here, you can see general formatting, only 239. So you understand now what is bit different in formula paste and formula paste with number formatting, right? So I'll do control Z, undo. Now we'll move to our fourth options, right? We learn about these three options: paste, formula with number formatting. Now we'll see keep source formatting. If we click here, you can get keep source formatting, how the formatting over the main data, you can get all the formatting here, right? You can get all the formatting. It also works as a normal pasting, so it will paste everything whatever in your main data. The number formatting, formulas, here you can see all the formulas also is here. It also works as a normal paste options, right? Now we'll move to the fifth option over there. So right click here, go for special, or else you can click here in the down arrow, you can find here, or you can use a shortcut key also, as I teach you in my previous video. You can access a shortcut key in the Excel by following some steps like Alt. If you press Alt button in your keyboard, you can see there is some hints shortcut key is pop up here. Excel is giving you a hint that if you press H, you can access the home tab, right? So press H, then you can see more options is here. So if you press V now here, now you can find these options also here over there, right? So in this way also we can access the paste special option. So Alt H V, then you can find here the more shortcut key: P for paste, F for formula, O for formulas with number formatting, K for keep source formatting, and B for no borders, right? So now we'll see the no borders one. So all right, I'll do a right click, we'll go here and no border. Now you can see here all the data paste as it is. You can find the formulas, you can find everything, the formatting, you can find the data formatting, whatever is there, but there is no border. You can notice here in our previous data, in the main data, there is some borders, right? You can see all the borders is there, all border, but in this data there is no border. So now you understand what is the no border pasting, right? I'll do control Z, undo again. Now we'll move to the number 6 options, that is keep source column width. In that pasting, if you click this on, so you can find the same thing as it is your data, all the formatting you will get. Not only that, you will find the keep column width auto fitted also here. You can see, you can understand here better if I paste here. See, this all the column width is same, right? Now if I fill here, if I paste here with the column width, you can see the column width is in the all the columns. You can see this column is auto fitted, right? The all columns is auto fitted if I paste with the column width, right? Now we understand that also. Now I'll do control Z, undo. Now we'll go to the next options. Here if you click on your mouse, then you can see this one, transpose. In this option, if you click transpose, then you can see whatever data in your rows that will come in the column, and the columns data will come in the rows. So you can see English, geography, history, math, biography, it's here, right? It came in the rows. You can see here that was here was the column wise, but it came in the row wise here. And the names, it went as a column wise: Tom, Mary, Thomas, Sarah. It's transposed the data, right? We got it, guys. Now we'll move to the next option. What is our next options? Here you can see paste values. In the paste values options, we can use some 3 option is there. The paste options was 7 options was there, and the paste value options have 3 options. So if you click values only, you can find the values only. In that options you cannot get any formulas and anything, only the values. So whatever values over your main data, you can get only the values. You can see here this values pasted here, but if you click here, as we see here, here have some formulas, right? In total also have some formulas, in this column also have some formulas, but if you click here, you cannot see any formulas, only the values over there, right? You can see only the values over there, there is no formulas. Okay, you understand what is the value pasting. Now Control Z, undo again. Now we'll move to the next option, is number with values, number formatting with values. In this option you can get the number formatting. Okay, if you click the same thing how we show, here we explain, right? This one, the formula pasting and formula with number formatting, same thing will happen here. You can get the values, you cannot get in these options, you cannot get any formulas over there, wherever your data pasted, right? You cannot get any formula, you can get only the values with the formatting. You can see here is formatting, this is number formatting. If you click here, you can see also number formatting. If you click here general, and if you click here, you can see also general formatting, right? So you got it, guys. Now we understand what is value with number formatting also. This one, it will be helpful if you want to share your data to someone without your formulas and something. You want to send only the values to someone, you want to share these values to someone, so you want to extract the formulas and everything, you don't want to send the formulas, right? So it will be helpful for that. Okay, now we'll move to the next options. I'll do Control Z again, undo. Okay, now let's move to the next option. Okay, before moving to the next option, we have to select this cell and we have to copy first. Now where we want to paste here, okay, this cell we want to paste the data here. We'll click here, right click and go to the paste special options. Click here, you can see a dialog box over there. Now the next option is values and source formatting, right? If you click here, then you can see, okay, this pop-up is coming because there is some merge cells is there. Okay, you can see this is the merge cells. I'll show that one, the subject is B2 to F2, sorry, B1 to F2, it's a merge cell, right? And this one also H1 to J1, this is a merge cell, sorry, that one is a merge cell only, this is not merge cell. Okay, for the some merge cell that's pop up, it's came here. Okay, now anyhow we got the value here. Okay, the values with formatting. Okay, the formatting it's already pasted here as it is the format in the main data you had, the format also came here and the values also came here, right? You can see all the formulas you will found here, all the format also you can get here, all the borders and all the formats is here. It's also as it is similar to the normal pasting, right? So now we understand also that. Now we'll Control Z, undo again. Sorry, I'll just delete this one first. Just delete this cell first. Okay, now we'll move to the next option. We'll click here, we'll select this data, Control A, all data, Control C. Here we want to paste. Now click here, right click, then go to the special options, right? Here you can see the next option is only the formatting. In this formatting options you can get only the formatting, right? Only formatting means you cannot get any data from your main data, only the whatever the format in your data, what you did in a formatting in a cell, that format will come here. Click here, you can see only the format is pasted here over there, right? Now you understand what is the format pasting, only the format, you cannot get data over there. Okay, now we'll move to the next option. For move to the next option, after pasting one data you can access the another way. I will tell you what is the another way. You can click here, you can see there is options is overcoming here. CTRL control, and the paste symbol is here, and a down arrow also here. If you click here, you can the options over here also, all the paste special options. Okay, now I'll zoom out again. Now from here only we can go the next option. If we click here paste link, okay, now I'll click here paste link. Okay, now you'll see the paste is linked here. Now it's meant whatever the data is there, you cannot get any formatting here. Okay, you will get the equal values here. It's mean if you make any changes in your main data, the changes will happen here also. Let's see, you can see here the student name Tom, Mary, Thomas, right? This 000 is coming because there is no values, because it's not didn't get the format, so there is some blank cells, right? That's why it gets the 00. Okay, but if we will understand better how it works, I will change some data here, some values here. You can see Tom, Mary, Thomas, it's as it is here, right? Now if I change here Tom to Mary or Henry, you can see the data is changed here also. Now if I change here again to Sarah, you can see it's changed here also. I'll zoom it for a better understand. You can see here, if I change here, you can see if I change here in the Sarah name, if I click here and choose Mary, okay, you can see the Mary changes happened here also. Now it's here in the Henry, you can see this is also Henry. If I make changes here in a Harry, sorry, in a Henry, if I do it Tom, you can see Tom here, right? The changes, you understand what is actually pasted here, right? Now we'll go to the next options. I'll do Control V. Now we can get the options here again. Now the next option is picture option. In this option, if you click this, now you can see you get a picture over there, right? What is the picture? In you cannot get any values, sorry, you cannot get any formulas, anything in this picture. It's a picture format only. It's mean you can use for presentation, some presentation and something. You can see here it's only pasted here as a picture, right? You can see in this picture, if you click here, there is another tab is created here called picture format. If you click in picture format, you can changes some formatting from here. You can give some format, you can do whatever formatting you want. This one, okay, you can changes all the format here. Okay, if you want to picture effects, you can go from here. Reflections, you want reflection something, if you want reflection, see, click reflection, you can see some data reflection over there, right? The picture reflection is there, so you can do the formatting from here. That's called a picture pasting, right? What it guys, do you understand? Now I'll do Control Z, undo, undo, again undo. Okay, sorry, one more redo. Now we came here. Now we'll move to the next options. Click here, go to the paste special, and the next option is link picture. Linked picture, it means also same as the linked value here. You can see this one. Now we'll move to the next options, the linked picture, right? We can see here the last option is linked picture. In these paste formulas, the last option is other paste options. Now we'll move to the next option, that's called linked picture. That is the last option in the paste formulas. Not this is not a last for options. There is some another options also. Okay, but in the dialog box, whatever the pop-up we got, that is the last. Okay, this 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, these all options clear, these 3 options clears, these 3 also clear, but the last option is, we'll see here, we'll click this cell, sorry, we'll click this cell. Okay, now we'll move to the next option, that's called linked picture, right? We saw what is the picture paste. Now we'll see the linked picture. We'll select this cell, we'll copy it again, we'll select a cell where we want to paste, right? Here if you want to, I show you all the different option how we can access the paste special options, right? So you can use different what is suitable for you. You can following this shortcut key like Alt H V, then you can follow all the shortcut keys, or you can right click on your mouse, or you can go inside the home tab, then the paste option, the down arrow, if you click you can find here also. So now if we click linked picture, here what it will happen, here it will be create a picture. Okay, it will create a picture, but it will be a changeable picture, right? If whatever you will edit here, whatever changes will happen in your main data, all the changes will happen here also, same thing. So let's see, I will change here Tom to Sarah. You can see here also Tom to Sarah, right? If you click here and change Sarah to Henry, you can see it's Henry. You can change Thomas to Tom, you can see here Thomas to Tom, it's changed here, but this is a picture format only. You understand, guys? Now here also you can give some format and something here over there, whatever the format you want to give, right? Click here, here you can find picture format. As I told, it's same like picture paste, so you can do a formatting from here, right? So I'll do Control Z, undo whatever the changes I did, it's all coming here. Okay, I did undo. Now this cell is copied. Now we clear all the paste special option, but there have some more options. If we go here, you can see paste special, right? Paste special is there. This option you can create, you can get it by the shortcut key also. That shortcut key is Control Alt plus V. You can see, I'll zoom it, you can find that the shortcut key for is here, paste special, Control plus Alt plus V, right? Now I'll zoom out again, I will click here, or you can just Control Alt V, you can do it. Select the cell here, Control Alt V, you can get this paste special options, right? There is some option in the paste option, whatever the options here I clear from here, right? And there is some other option, operation, and this keeps values. Transpose also is so during all these options. Now we'll learn about the operation options. What is operation options? Okay, now for this operation options, we'll go to the next sheets. Come here. Okay, you can see some subject score, some subjects number is there, right? Now we'll click here. Okay, for that option we'll go our next sheets, that is operation sheets created here. You can see there is some data like English, geography, history, math, biography, all the data over there, right? With their marks. Now we want to give additional marks like 10 or 5 for some project, right? We have something in our school or college, there is some project, right? It's we are giving a random number like 10 or 5 to all the subject, right? We are adding this, not we, our teachers or whoever giving our marks, right? They're adding this. So for that I'll do here the add 10 to all, 10 or 20 to all. Let's see 20. Okay, so to add these 20 to all these, right, all these subject marks, what we will do, we'll select this 20, we'll copy. Okay, Control C, copy this 20, this cell where we written 20, then select this cell. Okay, select this, however the number, don't select the heading, select the marks only. Now you can click right click over there, or you can go under the home tab, under the clipboard, you can click the down arrow in the paste option, or you can click right click, come here, go to the paste special option, come here in the paste special, the last, right, click here paste special, you can get this dialog box, paste special dialog box here. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to select only the add. In the operation option there is none, you have to select add. Okay, if you select add, then just click OK. After click OK or hit enter, you can see some changes over these numbers in marks, right? Here is 35, 25, 40, right? Just note it, 35, 25, 40 is there. If I click OK, you can see 55, 45, 60. You understand? The same things will happen to subtraction also. You can click here, go to the paste special. In the subtract, if you want to subtract this 20 number from this all of the subject, okay, just you have to select this one again where you want to subtract. Okay, now click right click or Control Alt V. You got this dialog box, Control Alt V, the shortcut key, right? Then choose subtract. Okay, now if you click OK, now you can see again the value will come like 35. The 20 will be get minus the subtract, right? 30 from 55 to 20 will subtract, then it will come 35, and from 45 to 20 will be minus, then it will come 20. Okay, just notice if you click OK or hit enter, you can see the changes here: 35, 25, 45, right? 69. You got it. Okay, now we'll see another options is in the first special. The next option is added, subtract, done, multiply. If you choose the multiply options, click here multiply, you can see this all the subject marks will be multiplied with 20. Okay, click OK. You can see here, some error is hash is there some error because it's the cell is not auto fitted. There is some more values over there, that's why it didn't fit. That's why it's showing hash error, the number value, right? Now if you fit the column width, now we can get this result. Okay, now same thing if we do here divide also. In the division, go here, click the special. In the divide, select divide. Okay, before select this option, you always remember, before select this option, always you have to choose, always you have to copy the number you want to subtract, added, multiply with the main marks. That one you have to copy, and the marks cell, the marks range you have to select, then only you can access these options. Okay, then now we can use Control Alt V shortcut key. Now we'll see what is the divide. If you select divide, then click OK or hit enter, then you can see all the numbers divided, right? You got it. What is the added, subtract, multiplication or division, right? Now we understand all these options. Now we'll see what is the next option. There is skip blanks and transpose. Transpose we already explain in the paste options only. This transpose I already explained in the paste options only. In their paste option, this one is the transpose option, right? This one is the transpose option. You can see a transpose. Okay, so we'll not, so this one again I will move to the skip blanks. Okay, there is another sheet called skip blanks. If you came here, you can see there is some blanks is here, right? Here also some blanks, here also some blanks. Here in the name column you can see Tom, Mary, Henry, Lucy, right? But here is already some name is there, Thomas, Sarah, John. So what I want only these two names will be here and these two names will be here. So what we can do, we can copy these two cell, then again paste here, then again copy these two cell, then again paste here, like. But if we have a lot of data, in the same case, like I'll paste it, see, I'll copy and I'll paste it here as it is same. So you can see if I have long data as a same, like in the main name list I have some blanks rows, and in the skip blanks cells or skip blank columns you can see there are some names also with the some blanks, right? So I want to fill only these blanks. I don't want changes, this whatever the name already is here entered, I don't want any changes over there. I only want to edit this name over here, this name over here. I want all the list together, right? So what we can do, we can select this all the name, we can select, we can copy it. Okay, just copy, Control C, copy, then come here, select this cell, right click or Control Alt V, the shortcut key, then choose skip blanks. Okay, choose the skip blanks. After choose skip blanks, you can see the all the data will come here without the blanks. That option will skip the blanks. In the skips, that will replace with this name, whatever the name is there already, that will replace with that. Okay, okay, click okay. Okay, I'll show you without skip blanks first. Okay, just do it. Cancel. We copied it already. Now if here we just paste simply, you can see paste simply, you can see the paste as it is, the blanks also came here, right? The previous name deleted, so it's replaced with the blanks, whatever the previous name was there, right? You understand the simply paste, what is the paste? If you do the simply paste here, normal pasting here, right? Now I'll do Control Z, I get this data over here again. Now here I come here, Control Alt V. Now I'll choose skip blanks. I'll click OK or hit enter in the keyboard. Okay, now you can see the Thomas, Sarah, John, whatever the name was there, it's there as it is, remain there, right? But only edit here whatever the data in this cell, in this column, whatever data is there, it's pasted here and it skips the blanks. So now we understand what is the skip blanks also. With these options, that is the end of our paste special options. I believe you learn all the options in the paste specials and you are now expert to use a paste special option. So that's it for today. Bye bye.